By the time the 80s came around, there was a huge dependency on Amitabh Bachchan. So much so that the films around the Amitabh Bachchan films were failing because the content was suffering, the technical finesse was suffering, and the movies were not that great. Simultaneously, there was this tilt to go to the south. So cue the South Indian remake. Now, instead of hill stations, people were dancing on ghadas and pots and pans and every other kitchen utensil that you can think of. And that's where group synergy dancing came around. You know, where these like 100 or 200 dancers would come and dance around the lovers for no rhyme or reason in a private location. This is where it started. So, do you remember this? Do you remember those Rangoli bombs exploding for no rhyme or reason? Naino mein sapna, sapno mein sajna. Just please fix your eyes on this slide here. Just look at that picture. Please take a close look at Mr. Jintender's expression. In 1987, one of the most significant films of my childhood released. That's right. Arjun Kapoor, my buddy and pal, would come back from school every day and not eat his food till they played the VHS of Mr. India. I remember at the dining table, me, my sister, and my cousin brother, we used to sit and we used to bang the spoons on the plates. And till the food came, we'd be screaming, "Calendar, khana lao, calendar, khana lao." Our house help, his name was not Calendar, but we called him Calendar. And my nani, she used to threaten me. Ranveer Singh, तुम मस्ती करेगा तो डागा और तेजा तुमको मोगैम्बो के पास लेके जाएगा. You remember Daga and Teja? Mr. Mogambo, सरकारी अनाज को गोदामों को जला देने के बाद मुल्क में जहां जहां अनाज की कमी पैदा हुई थी वहां वहां काले बाजार की कीमतों पर मिलावट का अनाज फैला दिया गया है. And then Teja, Mr. Mogambo, इस मुल्क में हमारे 1 लाख से भी ज्यादा शराब खाने और जुए खाने खुल चुके हैं. Mogambo? Exactly! Wow! So, the late great Amrish Puri was an integral part of my growing up years, an irreplaceable talent of the Hindi film industry who is sorely missed. You have to check this slide out. That's Amrish Puri as Mola Ram in Indiana Jones Temple of Doom, and that is me in 2007 in Indiana University at a fancy dress party dressed as Amrish Puri in Mola Ram. Do you remember Mola Ram? You remember when he rips that heart out? Iski jaan meri muthi mein hai. And Harrison Ford is like, you got nowhere to go, Mola Ram. My God, cult stuff. Despite the decline in the quality of films in the 80s, 88 brought a spark, a glimmer of hope. A small film that became hugely popular. You remember this film?
आज कॉलेज का आखिरी दिन है. और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है. लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है. No really, I mean it. और आज मुझे बार एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ.
You remember? Now, this film, Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, it was a typical formula film, but it introduced a new syntax. For the first time, there was an ad campaign for a film. The hero in Ray-Bans, black shirt, black jeans, standing, and it said, "Who is Amir Khan? Ask the girls next door." Following year, 1989 was a very good year for Hindi films as far as I was concerned. 89 gave Hindi cinema a hugely successful commercial director in the form of Suraj Barjatya. You remember this movie, no? Of course. You see that? You see that hat that Bhagyashree is wearing, the black cap with friend on it? I had one of those. I literally did. I bought it on Linking Road. You can get anything on Linking Road. I bought that on Linking Road, I remember, and I used to wear it so proudly. So this movie, okay, also marked the debut of Salman Khan. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, who would go on to be one of the biggest stars ever of Hindi cinema, but more on that later. I had this cap, and I remember the music of the film. The music of this film was just absolute, like cult stuff. Do you remember some of the songs? Do you remember? Yeah, in S.P. Balasubramaniam's voice, huh? Aaja shaam hone aayi, mausam ne li angadai, to kis baat ki hai ladai, tu chal. Oh no, tu chal, main aayi. Oh really? S.P. Balasubramaniam, man, what a voice. Do you remember that other song? Mere rang mein rangne wali pari ho ya ho, pariyon ki rani ya ho meri prem kahani. Why does my face become like this when I sing like S.P. It just feels like this is how I'd be singing it. Mere sawalon ka jawab do. And, ladies and gentlemen, my personal favorite. Wait for it.
कबूतर जा जा जा, कबूतर जा जा जा, कबूतर जा जा जा, कबूतर जा जा जा। पहले प्यार की पहली चिट्ठी, पहले प्यार की पहली चिट्ठी साजन को दे।
Now, they may not have been sending each other SMSs through Vodafone, but they were sending chittis through kabutars. Just as effective.